This is a helpful website when it comes to tracking your flights. You want to see if there's cancellations ahead of time, maybe if there's delays on your flights that you're leaving, maybe where it's going to be landing, so on and so on. So there's a lot of stuff that you can find. Now you can search them by flight, you can search them by route, and there's other things you can actually do. And this is actually scrollable, so you can get it down a little bit more detailed. You want to see what flight it is, you click on it, it'll bring you up another page. It'll tell you the airlines, it'll tell you where it takes off from, it tells you where it's going to land, it's going to tell you if it's on time, if it's early, if it's late, so on and so on. All right. So we do have some other information up here that I like, especially since I'm going to be traveling this week. Now, I like coming here and seeing if there's any airport delays. Normally, if you see red, it's telling you there's going to be delays at that airport. Now, there's some other things that you can actually do here, too. If you go to cancellations, here, it's going to show you cancellations by airline, by the airport that you're leaving from, by the airport that you're going to. It'll show it to you, how many flights and how many flights have been delayed, how many flights have been canceled. Another one that is real unique in this one happens to be the misery map. And really all I'm seeing right here is the main airports, okay, the big boys. I mean, there's some missing, we know that. Okay, and all you have to do is you would click on here and you're going to see from Atlanta to Denver, okay? You can see that those flights are being delayed. You can see that into Houston are being delayed. You see between Atlanta and Dallas, everything seems to be fine. Between Atlanta and LA, everything seems to be fine. So you can go to the different airports like here. If you're leaving out of Chicago, there's delays going into New York City and so on. Hopefully this will be a useful tool to you. I know that I'm going to be using it this week as I travel. And thank you for viewing.